How's it going, guys? Today I have my 2002 Honda CRV, and today we're gonna be replacing the headlight bulbs, and we're gonna swap him out with this one right here, which is Auxito LED headlight bulb. So as you can see, this is what it looks like before I switch him out. All right, so I'm gonna turn off the car and then we're gonna open this up. We're gonna go ahead and open this package up and see what it looks like inside. Also, if you guys are interested in one of these, I'll have the link down below. Just make sure you click on that link. Get something to open this up. You can see this is what it looks like. Comes in a nice box. All right, I'm gonna open it up. So the installation should be easy. I'm gonna show it to you right now. But this is what the light bulb looks like. Comes in this package. Again, if you guys are interested in one of these, I'm gonna have the link down below. And let's go ahead and get to the installation process. So if you have an 02 CRV like this one, what you want to do, anytime you mess with anything electrical, you want to disconnect the battery terminals first. So we're gonna go ahead, this is a 10mm, we're just gonna disconnect the negative, and then we're gonna go right ahead and dive into the connector and remove the old light. If you look back here, you have this connector for that light bulb. There's a little tab on the side right here that you press, and then you wiggle that wire out and it should slide right off. And then we're gonna go ahead, and you see this little tab right here, so we're gonna pull it from here. Just gonna take this up. See if I can get a better angle from here. We're gonna yank it out like that, and then now we have access to the old light bulb. Trying to get the best angle for you guys. Now there's a tab right here that you press. You press this tab right here, and then you slide it up, and then the old light bulb should come right out. Okay, that's the old light bulb. This is the new one. So you can see the difference. Now we're gonna go ahead and install this one. So the installation should be the same as the way the old one came out. Make sure you align those little tabs. There we go. And then what you want to do is you want to lock it in place using this. So you're just gonna push the tab back in, just like that. And then we're gonna put our cover back on. This little cover. Slide it in like that. There we go, and then we're gonna hook our connector back up. I'm really excited to see the difference and how it's gonna look, especially driving it at night. I'm also gonna post a video of me driving it at night so you guys can see the difference. Okay, so we got it in there. I'm not gonna do that side. That side is the same process as this side, but I wanted to leave that with the original light bulb so you guys can see the difference. So let's go ahead and put our battery terminals back on. There's the Auxito LED light bulb. That's the old one. new one. This is before I installed the Auxito light bulbs. As you can see, this is nighttime driving. So the next clip, I'm going to show you the difference after I installed the light bulb. Here we go. Got my low beams on. I'm going to turn on the high. That's the low beam. There's the high. But if this video helped you, please click on the subscribe button. And again, if you guys are interested in one of these, click on the link below. If you got any questions, just comment below. And again, thanks for watching.